Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 10th, 2023. Not so good news today because we have only two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle, 12 by 12, yes, and a killer Sudoku with two given numbers. Yeah, not so good news because we have in this newspaper no extra puzzles. Let me show you those pages. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's news paper. Yeah, no extra puzzles. Okay, well, okay, so the yesterday's newspaper, we have here three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, in Japanese suguru, and sometimes they call this kind of puzzles jigsaw puzzles. Binaries, yes, jigsaw binaries. And what's the news of today? Well, let me see. In a few hours, yeah, the Dutch team will play against Spain for the World Championship women. Yes, in a few hours. Well, if they win, it's the quarterfinal. So if they win, they will go to the semi-final. Anyway, enough news. Let me start with the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle. Number this will be number 6897. 6897. Okay. Nine, 7, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 39 printed digits. 39, and it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 1s and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Oh, double O, 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. And between two O's comes an 1. And between two ones comes an O. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Alright. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. and 1 2 3 4 5. We have here 5 ones. I cannot place number 6 there, otherwise we have 1 2 3 4 O's in a row in this column, not allow one of the rules, so this can be one, this should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright, double O, here one, there one. Then let me see. Now we need to think. 4 5 double one, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Here we have also no 4 ones. Okay. Need 5. Oh, here between the O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Will be difficult. Okay. Here we have so 1 2 3 4 5. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. And we have here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Come on. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Here the same, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here the same, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here also, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. Here we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. That means here I need also an O and a 1 there. 1 2 3 4 5. That means in these 2 boxes I need an O and a 1 here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 O's. I cannot place the 6th O there, otherwise we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 4 5 6 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5. That means in these 2 boxes should be a 1 and an O. Okay. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in one of these two boxes should be an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 there, then we have in this row 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So here can be 1. There should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there. I think we need to compare, Question is, need to compare the rows or the columns. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Overlooked. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here also. 2, 3, 4, 5. Two rows and 2 columns. Question is, or this row I need to compare, or this column I need to compare. Let me see, for this column, these 2 columns, double O. Here. Yeah, this one, this column, and this column. Yeah. Alright. So we have here O, 1, 1, empty box, 1, empty box. O, 1, 1, O. So we need to switch these 2 boxes. Yeah. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now the rows or the columns. Well, cannot O10. Let me check for the O10. No. I think the rows then. 1001. Here we have 1001. Yeah. This row. And that row. Alright, let me compare. 1, 1, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, 1, 1, O, empty box, O. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and now we have here double O here, 1 there, 1, and between 2 ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second we're gonna puzzle a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.